my channel. My name is Delene and I do videos on luxury goods. I do videos on foundation and some skin. So if you like that, please subscribe and click on that bell below so you'll get notification. And today I am going to do a review, kind of like a review, and what's in my city pouch. I have been using this a lot, you guys. I think 2 weeks straight already, and I am so enjoying it and I love it so much, and I get compliments on it. I use this sometimes like a wallet, so I'll throw this into my bag, or I'll just use it like a clutch all day and run around with it. It is just amazing. So right now I do have things in there like it's a wallet. So, right here is my Louis Vuitton charm. I love this charm, you guys. It has just been perfect for my purse. I used to have one with like 5 pieces dangling off of it. And I think I mentioned this in my video when I had purchased this and showed this on one of my videos. It made so much noise. I remember I was at a department store. You can literally hear me coming. You can see that some people are turning their heads to see what all that clanking was. And also when I turned around, my charm here hit the glass of display of watches, and it was so loud. I was embarrassed. After that, I've never put it on my purse again. I thought it was just horrible, and I think I only had it for 2 weeks before I even decided I didn't like it anymore. And I sold it on eBay and then eventually purchased this cute little piece here, and this has been perfect for me. I love it. Okay, with further ado, you guys, let me go ahead and show you what's in my city pouch. I am loving this thing. I love this so much. I usually carry it like this, which I love, or I do carry it like this when I want to free my hands and I don't really want to drop it. So this has just been so perfect. And of course you can see that the strap is removable, which I do love. But I usually keep it on there. I do not take it out. And then another thing I do is also, you see my bag here. This is my beautiful Louis Vuitton. I will throw this into my bag here, and I'll carry it so I can carry other things inside my bag. And I have a lot in here, you guys. But when I want to run to the store, I do just grab this. Or sometimes I'll just carry this alone. But right now, I am using it and I'm sticking it in here just like this. And I love that. I love it so much. So let me go ahead and show you what's inside. Oh, and by the way, so when I want to switch purses, all I do is just take this out because I have everything that I need in here, and I can just stick it in my other purse without worrying about what I'm missing. Now if I want to carry anything extra, then I know that's when I can put this in here and carry other things. So with further ado, once again, here we go. Let me go ahead and show you. So I carry my iPhone X inside my bag here, my city pouch. I have my beautiful Gucci card holder here. You guys, I did a video on this. If you guys haven't watched it, it's a comparison between my brand new Gucci and my Chanel card holder. So watch that if you guys haven't watched it. I'll try to put it somewhere up here or down here. So if you guys want to watch it, it's a great video. Okay. Oh, by the way, I don't see any color transfer on this thing from my city pouch because it is dark in there and it kind of has like a velvet feeling. I don't know if that's leather or what. Maybe it's just, I don't know. So anyways, that, no stains or anything. And then I carry my car keys in here because it's so easy to just pull this out and go to the store without carrying my whole bag. So I remove this from my 6-ring key holder, and sometimes I'll do that when I want to use a purse and minimize, you know, I'll just put it into my small bag or my pouch. Now inside here, if I want to carry my other keys, I've thrown my 6-ring key holder in there. My business cards are in here. I just have so many things in my bag. Okay, and then I carry my medical cards in here. I just carry it loose because it's like a wallet. So I carry my medical cards. I carry my gum. This gum is amazing. I don't know if you guys have this brand in where you live, but I like it. It comes in all different colors: cotton candy, margarita, and there's one that has a unicorn on it. I don't know what flavor that is, but that one's good. And then I carry a sample of my perfume. This is a Louis Vuitton Rose de Vent. And this, you guys, oh my goodness, it's so amazing. Let me see. Wow, this smells so amazing. I love it. So I want to thank my essay for that. Amir, thank you. And I have Chanel lipstick. And let me tell you what color it is, because I am wearing it right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is Rouge Coco Shine number 61 Bonheur. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's all I know. And then I carry my cash in there all loose, you know, because it doesn't fit in my Gucci card holder like I brought that up in my video. So I just carry it loose, which is fine because I'm using this like a wallet and everything seems just fine. I minimized and put my pills into a little tiny Ziploc so I can carry it. And I'm carrying a business card. A tiny pen, you guys. This is such a tiny pen. I got this actually for my PM agenda, and I actually love this pen. I'm going to buy a couple more and just stick it into, you know, little bags like this, because you already have enough things in there. You're trying to minimize as much as you can, so this pen has just been perfect, and it writes so well. Okay, I've got, I think this is my house key, just in case I get locked out and I don't have my 6-ring key holder with me. And then I'm carrying a bunch of change, you guys, in here. And that's really all that I'm carrying in here. Now, let me show you guys the inside here. So, I mean, this thing has been amazing and I love it so much. And like I said, I stick it into whatever bag that I need and I'll just stick it in here. So, and I want to show you look at this. I have a big mess in here, you guys. I also did a video on this bag, and if you guys want to watch it, you're welcome to watch it. I can also stick the video either in the description box or, you know, somewhere here or there. And if you guys have any questions about my city pouch or even my beautiful red patent leather Louis Vuitton, please comment below and I will gladly answer it for you. But watch the videos on these two if you guys like, and also on my gorgeous Gucci that I just got for Valentine's Day from my hubby. So anyways, you guys have a wonderful day, and